Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Google Maps Street View and showing you how to explore the world from your phone. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about a new neighborhood, Street View has you covered. Using Street View on mobile. Now let's switch to your phone. Open the Google Maps app. Search for a location or tap and hold on the map to drop a pin. Tap on the location pin and then tap Street View at the bottom of the screen. You'll instantly be taken to Street View mode. Navigating in Street View, mobile. Swipe with your finger to rotate the view, and tap arrows on the screen to move forward. You can also use 2 fingers to zoom in and out. Explore the streets just like you would on your computer, and immerse yourself in the sights of any location right from your smartphone. Additional tips and features. Don't forget, you can also view interior street views for some businesses and attractions. Look for the See Inside option when available. And that's how easy it is to use Google Maps Street View on both your computer and phone. Whether you're traveling or exploring your own neighborhood, Street View is your virtual window to the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.